What's up, guys? Let's get some wheelies in. Got the new GoPro set up. See how this goes into my Surron X. First one off, not too bad to start the day. You already know it's a little windy, it's a shitty day out. We're gonna try to make the best of it. Get some fat wheelies. I got this Surron about 2 weeks ago, and I'm still getting used to the wheelies and everything in balance point. I got my regen set to level 1 on this thing. It's a pretty decent one, not too shabby. Pretty good. Felt good. Let's try to get a leg swing out on this. Oh, no sir. Little trail action. Let's hit this little trail. Oh, let's go. Oh, looks good. It's a small trail. What's up? Woo! What is going on in the park today? What's up, guys? Man, it wasn't even good. It feels bad, man. Let's get some more wheelies with some wheelie clips. Gave him some fake pedal. You know. Yeah, level 1 regen's really not bad. I feel like I'm gonna turn it off anyways, but it's definitely like barely slowing me down there. Good. I could have held that longer. Woo! That guy over there is on a motorized bike. He doesn't want no smoke. Oh, shucks. Come on. Where was the guy? Hella, that felt really good, boys. Let's see if I can bust them out. Woo. I don't know why I turned my wheel like that mid-wheelie. I think it's just because it helps me balance a little bit, but I don't know, probably not. Just for coolness points. But it does, I guess you can't help yourself balance with it. What's up? Good, how are you?
Good. What is that thing?
This is a Surron X. It's from Unicycles. They make them down in LA. It's kind of like an electric dirt bike, but I threw pedals onto it to be illegal. And the pedals work and everything. I mean,
so you can pedal as a bicycle?
Yeah.
What is the top speed on it?
50. Yeah, so it's got I think 90 Newton meters of torque, which is enough to make it do a backflip on itself. Oh yeah, it's crazy. So. Hella, that felt really good, boys.
Well, it's how cool and how quiet it is.
Yeah.
I'm assuming everywhere you get kicked out of a dirt bike.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
That doesn't exist.
No, not. I can go everywhere.
I'm riding my bike.
Yeah, riding my electric mountain bike, and you can even get a belt drive for it to make it even more quiet. So, yeah, you go chainless. Oh, yeah, I've got this thing like 2 weeks ago. I'm still getting used to it, how crazy it is. So.
Do you have a dirt bike?
I have a 650.
Okay.
It's like an enduro. So yeah.
So
I grew up.
like a 250 motorcycle?
I'd say like maybe a 110, 125.
That's still crazy impressive.
Because I beat my friend on his 90 through a single trail all day, but straight line he got me a little bit.
Trick, man. That's cool.
Yeah.
What is it? How much does it weigh?
100. It's probably 115 right now with the pedal kit I put on. But yeah, it just comes stock with pegs, and then I can quick swap on the trail if I wanted to, which is cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You know, they're technology, man.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's expensive, but in 10 years, man, they're gonna be everywhere. This is I don't know if you know of Segway, but Segway owns most of their stock Surron. So like the Segway and this are pretty similar.
Okay.
They're just different batteries, same motors and everything.
But the technology, you know, I just bought a one wheel.
Oh, those are so
I
sweet.
freaking love that thing, man. It's snowboarding powder like 24/7.
Yeah.
That's like death.
Yeah.
At least you go to the
Yeah.
hospital and survive that.
For sure, yeah. All right, you have a good rest of your day. What a cool ass guy. My max speed, let's go, baby. Don't copyright me though. 45, 45. That was decent. All right. I fucking suck, boys. Go 12 miles an hour. Let's do 12. If you stand up, it just comes up like magic. All right, ladies and gentlemen. If you like the video, subscribe for more. I'll try to get more videos out of pretty much daily. Just depends on how big the following gets. So yeah, drop a like and subscribe for more.